Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making dino nuggets. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need ground chicken, eggs, flour, plain breadcrumbs, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Begin by seasoning 2 pounds of ground chicken with salt, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Make sure the seasoning is mixed in well. Place the ground chicken on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and spread it out about 1 inch thick. Place a sheet of parchment paper on top and freeze until semi-frozen. Once semi-frozen, use Dinosaur cookie cutters to cut out the nuggets. Place the nuggets in the freezer for 10 minutes. Season 1 cup of flour with salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Season 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs with salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Lightly season 2 eggs with salt, garlic powder, and black pepper, and whisk. Coat the nuggets in flour, then egg wash, and lastly breadcrumbs. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, dino nuggets. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.